Howdy, Wall Street Willie. What is dental insurance? Dental insurance is a contract with an insurance provider to help cover a portion of the cost of dental care for individuals and families, including regular checkups, cleanings, x-rays, and various procedures. Many insurance plans provide 100% coverage for preventative care, like biannual cleanings, routine x-rays, etc., 80% coverage for basic procedures like filling, root canal, etc., and 50% coverage for major procedures like implants, surgeries, etc. However, the exact coverage varies depending on the individual policy. Dental insurance is usually not part of regular health insurance, although it might be an optional add-on. How does dental insurance work? Dental insurance is very similar to health insurance. You pay the insurance provider regular premiums in exchange for them sharing the costs of dental care. In addition, you may have to pay deductibles, copays, coinsurance, etc. Deductible is the minimum amount you need to pay before insurance kicks in. For instance, if the deductible is $100 and the dental procedure costs $80, insurance will not pay anything. After the deductible is met, you may have to pay a percentage of the covered procedure, which is called coinsurance. This can range anywhere from 20% to 80%, or you may have to pay a fixed dollar amount called copay. The rest is paid by the insurance provider up to a predetermined annual maximum amount. Dental plans either have copay or coinsurance, not both. What are the types of dental insurance? Dental insurance plans generally come in three main types. Health Maintenance Organization, or HMO plans, have lower premiums and out-of-pocket costs compared to other plans, but offer less flexibility. You are required to only visit in-network dentists, and services outside the network are usually not covered. Preferred Provider Organization, or PPO plans, typically have higher premiums and out-of-pocket costs as compared to HMO plans, but offer more flexibility. You can use in-network dentists who charge lower fees, or go outside the network and pay more. Indemnity plans, also called fee-for-service plans, offer the most flexibility since they allow you to see any dentist. The insurance company pays a set percentage of your total cost, and you pay the rest. These plans usually have higher out-of-pocket costs and premiums than the other two. What's usually not covered in dental insurance? Exclusions vary across dental insurance policies, but in general, they don't cover procedures that aren't deemed medically necessary. For example, cosmetic procedures like teeth whitening or orthodontic treatments like braces. Also, some plans have waiting periods for major procedures, meaning you have to be enrolled in the plan for a certain amount of time before coverage begins for these services. In addition, there is usually an annual benefit limit, meaning the plan will only pay up to a certain amount each year. Should I have dental insurance? That's a great question, Super Cooper. Watch the video on your screen to find out. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.